Hey.
Whoa. Hello, lovely people. It's Lindsay. I'm actually in Greece for a whole month, and I thought while I was here it'd be so fun and cool to try and do like different workshops, trying different art and culture types of things. So today I wanted to show you, I went to a silk painting workshop and I was in the loveliest teacher's studio, and it was just her and I got to learn all about how to actually paint silk. This, I'll give you a little sneak peek, is actually like the final product. So pretty. Oops, I'm holding it upside down. She cute. So let's just get right into the video. We kind of jump right in. How it starts is I'm choosing which design I want from her collection, and yeah, let's just go from there. Oh, that's pretty. That's pretty. They're so nice.
This is the Aphrodite. Here is the Europa.
Right.
You mix. Here Athena.
Oh, this one's good too.
Here's Athena and Poseidon.
Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah. And here Aphrodite with her lover. And the love interest.
Oh, I feel like I like that one. I think I'll do this one.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
This is cool.
Yeah, for the lover is this one.
Oh my gosh, that's so beautiful. Yes, definitely.
Yeah.
Okay, that's exciting. And then that way you can copy it.
So in the corner you will do some decoration.
So my own design.
Yeah.
So that's the inspiration.
Yes.
So pretty. Then this is like keeps the paint in.
Yeah.
For the boundary. And then for these, do I also do there?
This just for the clothes, so it's okay.
Okay.
The most important is the outline.
Right.
You need to connect them very good.
Okay.
Don't keep any gap. Maybe the color will.
Right, will spread.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, exciting. So you've been doing this for a long time?
Hmm?
You've been doing painting for a long time?
Oh yeah, decades.
3 decades?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Since I was a kid.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I like the cartoon.
Oh yes,
Yeah,
cartoons.
yeah.
Yeah. Should I do a test?
Oh yeah.
Just in case.
Yeah, we can like.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's a good.
Is that good? Okay. Perfect. So cute. Hello. Aww. Little friend.
Yeah, you can more thinner.
Thinner?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So like a piece of.
More like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here's too much.
Okay.
Yeah.
The paint goes on and it'll stop.
Yeah.
Very relaxing.
This is a pet, like a dog.
Yeah, like a dog.
When he wants a massage, he will go to my hand and then do.
Oh.
Yeah.
And he wants to be pet.
Yeah, need a pet.
Aww.
We cannot speak, but we are very smart.
Yeah. He's so sweet.
So beautiful lands.
Well, thank you. Yes, thank you so much. Trying really hard.
You are patient.
Thank you. I want it to turn out good.
Some people, the first time they did, and then they hand is shaken.
Yeah.
Yeah, like we.
Yeah. That's fair. Okay, so this is for the border.
Yeah.
The top and the bottom.
Also some four corner.
That's pretty.
Also this one like this one.
Oh yeah, that's nice. I do like this, but I also like the leaves.
The this, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like I wonder if we do like that.
Yeah.
Like or if we did like 1, 2, 3.
Well, good idea.
Good idea. Thank you. Okay, great. Yeah. Kind of across, yeah. Pretty.
Yeah. You take it.
Oops, sorry.
Okay. Come put here one by one.
So nice. So now we paint it.
Now we use the color. Are you ready?
Yes.
Now we need a more stronger something like this.
For some of them?
Yeah. Because,
Thicker?
Yeah, thicker. Yeah.
Okay. Everywhere?
No, everywhere. Somewhere you see like this part is really thin.
Right.
Yeah.
So a few of those.
And here you see.
Yeah. Okay. Sounds good. I do like the blue and purple.
The background is the purple. So
Yeah.
we will do the main subject first. So
Okay.
Think
In the middle.
about the dress first.
Maybe I do like the yellow,
The yellow.
or maybe maybe a pink,
Yeah. You
like
can,
a light
you
pink.
can try every different color you like.
Okay.
Then you use the pink for the dress, and then the background you need different color because the pink and purple is very related.
Okay.
This ink is for the silk, so you can wash by hand. It's no problem.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. If we want the light color, we need more colors.
Okay. So then it'll spread.
But because we use the same color, so you can use the same brush to drop here. If a different color, we don't use the same brush. We don't use the different color to drop inside the
Right.
bottle. Yeah.
So just a mix.
Yeah. Okay, so now you can try.
Okay.
If it's a light pink you like or more deeper, you just dig a little bit here.
Okay.
Yeah. Each time.
Now I'm not sure. maybe I should, because if I do pink, the purple.
If
background.
you do the pink on the dress, you can do the lime green with color in the background. It depends on what color you like. I think you like the red or a lot.
Yeah, this is good. But I do like the cool colors for the skirt. I think, you know what, I think I'll do the purple background.
The purple,
So then
it's a fit
change.
for you.
Yeah, it makes it different.
Okay, so
Maybe I'll do,
we will keep the later for the background. And you will like the yellow?
maybe, yeah. Or maybe orange, yeah.
Orange. So here's the orange. So that's why you drop a color here, not so much, little by little.
Right, there's more water.
And how we apply in the width. So feel the color not so close to the border.
Okay.
You only like here, it will spread by itself.
Okay.
Yeah, you see.
Kind of like that.
Yeah.
Oh.
Just not so close to the
Right.
Here becomes a deeper color. Wow.
Looks cool.
Yeah, down this part after.
Right.
And you create a nice texture,
Thank you.
like we are in the somewhere.
Yeah. Hopefully it turns out good.
Yeah. No, in the sky, but in
Yes.
yeah.
I like that.
Yeah.
Sky. Maybe I'll do do a little bit more yellow on there.
Yeah.
What should we do the arrows?
There.
Maybe blue?
Blue. Yeah, you can use green. Okay.
Thank you. Yay! We did it. Thank you so much. It was such a cool experience.
You want me to shoot you a video? You hold this?
Sure.
With you.
Yeah, sure. Okay. Okay.
Wow. Amazing. Oh,
Thanks for all your help.
very pretty.
Thank you. Worked out good.
Okay, so now
Okay, thank you so much for watching. I've already done another workshop that I'll be sharing as well, and I have 2 more booked so far coming up. The next one I'm doing is actually a silver making one where I actually make this necklace from scratch, which is crazy and so cool. So if you're into this, then definitely stick around. Anyways, I'm just so happy with how this turned out. It's just such a cute little memory. Also, I have to show you this view. We're staying in Meteora. Wowie. Okay, bye.